When it comes to upgrading your home in Jennings, a new door might not seem like a big change, but it can make a huge difference. Whether you're replacing an old, worn-out entry door or adding a sliding patio door, professional door installation offers more advantages than you might realize. Here's a closer look at why hiring a professional for your door installation is worth every penny. Enhanced security. Your doors are the first line of defense for your home. A professional installer will make sure your new door is fitted properly, with secure hinges, locks, and frames. Improper installation can leave gaps or weak points that intruders could exploit. Professionals know how to align and anchor doors so they can withstand attempts to break in, giving you greater peace of mind. Energy efficiency. A poorly installed door can lead to drafts, heat loss, and higher energy bills. Professional door installers have the expertise to seal your door properly, minimizing air leaks. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, saving you money over time. With the hot summers and chilly winters in Jennings, energy-efficient doors installed by a pro can make your home much more comfortable year-round. Proper fit and function. Doors that stick, drag on the floor, or won't close properly can be a daily headache. Professionals take precise measurements and make adjustments to ensure your door fits and operates smoothly. This not only improves your daily experience but also extends the life of the door hardware, hinges, and frame. Better appearance. A professional installation can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. Pros pay attention to the fine details, like trim, weather stripping, and alignment, so the finished look is neat and attractive. Whether you choose a classic wooden front door or a sleek modern design, a professional will make sure it looks its best and complements your home's style. Warranty protection. Many door manufacturers require professional installation to keep your warranty valid. If you install a door yourself and something goes wrong, you might be out of luck. By hiring a professional, you can protect your investment and ensure any manufacturer's warranty stays intact. Time and convenience. Let's face it, installing a door can be time-consuming and complicated. If you're not familiar with leveling, drilling, or aligning hardware, you could waste hours trying to get it right. Professionals have the tools, experience, and training to handle the job efficiently. They'll take care of everything from removing your old door to hauling away the debris, so you can sit back and enjoy the results without the stress. Increased home value. A professionally installed, high-quality door can boost your home's value. Potential buyers will notice a well-fitted, secure, and attractive door as soon as they approach your house. It sends a signal that the property has been well maintained, which can be a selling point if you ever decide to move. Safety-first doors can be heavy and awkward to handle. Trying to install one yourself could put you at risk of injury, especially if you need to lift and secure a large entry door. Professional installers follow safety practices and use the right equipment to complete the work safely and correctly. Final thoughts. If you're thinking about replacing or upgrading a door in Jennings, going with a professional installer is the smart move. You'll get a secure, energy-efficient, and beautiful result without the headaches of doing it yourself. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing the job was done right, adding value and comfort to your home for years to come. If you'd like, I can help you outline what to expect during a professional door installation process next. Just let me know.